Now, good morning, students. This class is a continuation of logarithms. How do we use the formulas of log? Look at this question. Write as a single logarithm. If it is log 7 base 2 plus log 11 base 2, how can I write it in a single logarithm? Bases are same, right? Same. Here there is plus, so I need to multiply these two. So which will result in log 77 base 2. By the first formula of logarithms, that is when there is into, we need to add. If it is add, into. Now next, this sum. Here I got subtraction and the base is same. So whenever subtraction is there, I need to divide them. So it's 20 over 4. So that is log 5 base 6. Am I clear? Writing as a single logarithm. Now look at next one. If it is 1 plus 2 log 3 base 2, how can I write into as a single logarithm? I know 1 I can write as log 2 base 2. Since here there is a base 2, I am taking base 2. Plus this 2 will go inside. It will go as a power on 3. So that will become log 2 base 2 plus log 9 base 2. Whenever the bases are same, I will multiply. So it is log 2 into 9 base 2, which is log 18 base 2. Single logarithm I wrote, sum is done. Now next one, it is 2 minus log 2 base 4. What is the base here? 4. So now here also I should write a log which has got a base 4. So I will write 2 log 4 base 4. This is anyhow it's 1, 2 into 1 is 2, it's not making any difference. Now minus log 2 base 4. Now this 2 will go as a power to 4 and it will become log 16 base 4 minus log 2 base 4. Now bases are same for the log and I have got subtraction. That means I need to divide these two. So 16 by 2, which is log 8 base 4. I can simplify it further more. Shall we do? Okay, let's do. So log 8 can be written as 2 cube, 4 can be written as 2 square. This 3 will come before the log as 3. This 2 will come before the log as 1 by 2. So both are remain 2 and 2. This is 1. So my final answer is 3 by 2. Am I clear? Now look at next sum. Single logarithm I need to write. Where will this 3 go? It will go as a power on 2. So it is 2 cube 5. Same way, where will this 1 by 2 go? It will go as a power on 36. So log 36 power 1 by 2. And here no change. So it is log 2 cube is 8 and here it is 5. And here log 36 power 1 by 2 is 6 and 5 minus log 12 base 5. So here bases are same, it's plus. So it will become log 8. Bases are same and plus, so I need to multiply 8 into 6, 48 base 5 minus log 12 base 5. Again bases are same, it's subtraction. So I need to divide 48 over 12. So which is log 4 base 5 is my answer. Am I clear? I am just sending them inside. And if it is plus, I am multiplying. If it is minus, I am dividing. Now look at the next sum. Here also I won't do anything. Better I take 1 by 2 common as it's present in both. So it will become log 8 base 3 plus log 18 base 2 and minus 1 separately. Again the bases are same. I wrote it wrong. The bases are same. Here it is 3. The bases are same and it's plus, so I need to multiply them both. 8 into 18. So this 1 by 2 will go as a power. So it is log 18 into 8 is 144. 8, 8, 64, yeah. 144 power 1 by 2 base 3 minus 1. 144 power 1 by 2 is 12 over 3 minus 1. 1 how can I write? Here base is 3, I want base 3. So 1 I can write log 3 base 3. Am I clear? Depending on this number, I am choosing what number should come as a base. Here the same number should come over here, then only this will be 1. So now here the bases are same and I have minus sign. So I need to divide them. So it is log 4 base 3 is the answer. Am I clear? We are learning how to use the logarithm formulae. Look at next sum. It's saying simplify this over this. Looking at this, I can't do anything. But long back, I told you this formula. Log a base b, I can write log a by log b with a common base 10. Remember this formula, apply the same thing to this. If I apply that to the numerator, how much will I get? Log 27 by log 2. Apply the same formula to the denominator as well. So it will become log 3 by log 2. What will be my result? This will get cancelled. Now it is log 27 by log 3. If I apply the same formula back, what will I get? Log 27 base 3. 27, how can I write? Log 3 cube and base 3. This power 3 will come before the log. Log 3 base 3. This value is 1. So final answer is 3. Are we clear? Again, look at this sum. It's also similar to the earlier formula. Log 128 base 3, I can write log 128 by log 3. By this again I can write log 16 by log 3. Log 3 will get cancelled. Left out is log 128 by log 16. Again, if or else directly log 128 is how much? 2 power, it is 7 by log 2 power 4. 7 will come before the log, so it becomes 7 log 2. Here 4 comes before the log, it becomes 4 log 2. These two gets cancelled, answer is 7 by 4. Clear? We are learning how are we applying different formula of logarithms. Now look at this sum. If it is log x and x cube, this power 3 will come before the log. So it is log x base x. This value is 1. So 3 into 1, my result is 3. Look at the next one. If it is log x and cube root x. Now cube root x, how can I write x power 1 by 3? Again this power 1 by 3 will come before the log. So it is 1 by 3 log x base x. This value is 1. So my answer is 1 by 3. Next one. If it is log square root of x power 5 base x. This square root I can write 1 by 2. So this x has got multiple powers 5 and 1 by 2. So it will become log x power 5 into 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. This 5 by 2 will come before the log. So 5 by 2 log x base x. This is 1. So left out answer is 5 by 2. Am I clear? This is how we simplify. We make these two same and we say that it is 1. Now look at next one. Find the value of log 3 base 27. This how can I write? Log 3. And this 27 in terms of 3 I can write 3 power 3. This power 3 will come before the log. So it becomes log 3 base 3. This value is 1. So 3 into 1 it is 3 is the answer. Now look at next one. It is log 6. 36 how can I write in terms of 6? 6 square. This power 2 will come before the log. So it is log 6 base 6. This answer is 1. So 2 into 1 it is 2. Now look at this one. How can I write? I can't write 2 in terms of 4. Better write 4 in terms of 2 is 2 square. This power 2 will come before the log and it will become 1 by 2 because base power is coming before the log. And log 2 base 2. This answer is 1. So remaining is 1 by 2. Next is log 4. 1 by 16 how can I write in terms of 4? 1 by 16 is nothing but 1 by 4 square. 4 square goes up sign for the power gets changed minus 2. Minus 2 will come before the log. So minus 2 log 4 base 4. This result is 1. So it will only become remaining is minus 2. Are we clear with this formula applying?